Hello friends, in this video we are going to understand the bookmark, usual bookmark and the bookmark in Microsoft Word. So let's understand first the concept of bookmark. Bookmark is a mark which we place or which readers place inside their books between two pages. Sometimes it is more than one or sometimes it is only one. Like if we have diaries, like in our diaries we also place one ribbon between two pages. So this bookmark in our books, sometimes it is in fabrics or sometimes it is created by pages or papers or sometimes it is very thin threads. So we use that bookmark in our books so we can access those pages or we can open those previous read pages next time or next day, and we can access those pages easily. Now let's talk about Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word also we have similar to this one, but here we don't have any ribbon. In Microsoft Word we just have one icon. There is no paper and there is no any fabric. So let's understand what is bookmark in Microsoft Word. As you can see here, I have created one page that contains 43 pages. Remember one thing, in Microsoft Word we can place this bookmark in pictures, in charts, in graphs or in words. So anywhere we can place this bookmark. And one thing is there, your bookmark name should be only one. Now if I have some place pictures, now I want to jump on that. So one way is we can scroll again and again and scroll down, or by this wheel icon we can scroll down, then we can reach wherever we want. But another way is if we have bookmark. Let's understand this one example. I'm writing here lesson 2. Now I want to place here one bookmark. So next time when now also if I want to open here, I don't want to scroll down, then come and open. Now select the text where you want to bookmark. So I have selected this headings, or this, I didn't convert this into headings, but I just selected, then insert menu and bookmark, and here you can give name, any name, and remember your bookmark name shouldn't be more than one. Yeah, if that is more than one word, so there shouldn't be space. Like here if I am writing lesson, I wrote lesson, but as now this is highlighted, add is highlighted, but as I press space button, now this is still highlighted, but when I write here 2, now add is not highlighted. That means we can't add this one. Yeah, we can add here, but just delete this space. Just write lesson, then just write 2, no need of space. Then after click on add. That's it, nothing more. If I am in my first page, now I want to go to that my lesson 2. So one way was, I told you we can scroll down, but the uses of bookmark, the benefit of bookmark is come in home menu, then find, then go to. Otherwise you can press just Ctrl G for go to, and here in bookmark, if you are in page, so come in here on bookmark, then here select your bookmark. I have created only one, so here is only one. So select your bookmark, then click on go to. Now here we are. Now this is already selected. So it was how we can apply bookmark in any word. Now how we can apply in any pictures? So for that, let's insert any picture. Like here I have one picture here. Now click on that picture in insert menu, then here. Otherwise you can press shortcut Alt N K. Alt N K. Again Alt N K. Sorry. Alt N K. There shouldn't be long press. You have to be little hurry. Actually this is the concept you can create by using Alt. In another video I will tell you about how you can create or how you can identify the shortcuts of in every options in Microsoft Word. So I already have selected this one. Now just delete that one and write here picture or picture 1. I wrote picture 1, then add and closed. That automatic closed. Now if I am somewhere else, I am here on my first page. Now press Ctrl G again. Now here click on this arrow, picture 1 and go to. Now, lesson 2. Picture 1 and go to. Now we are here on picture 1. Similar, if you have charts, this like this smart charts, this there also we can apply this bookmarks. If you have watched my previous video about hyperlinks, here also we have some options placed in this document. Here we have one is heading to create hyperlink. One is heading. If we have heading in our document, we can create link by using hyperlink to our headings. Now another is if we have bookmark, then we can also make link by using our bookmarks. So let's apply this one. So for this I am going to apply this one in last of page. Scroll down for last page. Now from here you can be anywhere, any pages where you want that link. I want that link in my last page. So click on link, then place in this document lesson 2. Then what do you want to text to display? So I want display jump for lesson 2, then hit OK. Now I got here jump for lesson 2, then hold Control and just click on this one. See, I came here on lesson 2. Then again in last page, and this time we are going to create about that one picture. So insert again, or for this hyperlink shortcut is Ctrl K, then picture and jump for picture. Then hit OK, then Control and click. I reached here on this picture. So same thing, this is how we can create or we can jump to, we can access our bookmarks. Now let's talk about how to bring bookmark icon. Click on file menu, then options. After click on advanced, then scroll down for show documents, show document contents. Here we have show bookmarks. Click on this show bookmark, then hit OK. Now you see here we have bookmark icon here. If I apply here new place again, just I'm writing here lesson 1 or chapter 1. Control plus E for center, then select the text. Then if you select, you will get both side bookmark. If you don't select, as we got in previous, if I am not selecting, my cursor is just on here in first, then bookmark, and here I am writing chapter 1, then just click on add. So here I got bookmark, that is not bracket, but there is bookmark icon like our cursor, but there is only one. But if I select anywhere, if I select, like I selected these words, these two words, now I'm writing here, then just click on add. Now in this case, if you see, if you could see here, now we have two icons, two brackets, one is this side, another is this side, and this bracket size is also different. Actually in previous also we had same icon, but difference was that both was in one place. That's why we were observing different types of symbol. If you don't want any this bookmark icon, then go here on file menu again, then options, advanced, then show document content, and here show bookmark, then hit OK. Now if you want delete any bookmark, if I want delete any bookmark, so again open that bookmark folder, bookmark window, Alt N K. I want to delete this one, second day, then just hit OK, delete, then bookmark is gone, then just close. So this was all about bookmarks and bookmarks in Microsoft Word. I hope your all doubts related to bookmarks are clear in this video. And if you get any benefits or anything, any good thing in this video, so please don't forget to like and please subscribe. Thank you.